Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm so excited. I just got a comment from one of my subscribers on my last video I did about comments, and he told me about a pirate radio station that was on the air right now. And that's what you're listening to. This is a pirate radio station on 6.931, which is that band right there around 6.9 is where these pirate stations broadcast on. And I looked up, see where I look it up right here. I looked it up on HF Underground, and here's a posting that was just posted not long ago about this station playing country music, which they are, and he calls it the Yeti Radio from the Ozark Mountains. I don't know if that's the Ozark Mountains in Tennessee or not, probably, but it's coming in strong, and I want to thank the gentleman. I have the, where's the post? That's not it. That's not it. There it is. There's the post right there on my previous show I did today from One Fanger, and he tells me that there's pirates on 6931 and also 5010. And I got the 6931. That's what you're listening to. We'll go back to it for a second. Pretty strong signal. So shortwave is coming back. Thanks for the gentleman who posted that. I love these comments. Have a great day and be safe. Bye-bye.